Yvonne, Yvonne, Yvonne. Yvonne, 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 Yvonne. Yvonne, 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 Yvonne. Yvonne, Yvonne. 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 Yvonne, 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 Yvonne. Y-V-O-N-N-E. Y-V-O-N-N-E. Yvonne, Yvonne, Yvonne.
Oh, hey again, everybody. It's me and Sweetie here. Yeah, Sweetie. So, hey, Sweetie. We got a few things to go over. It's early Monday morning, 7 a.m. We got to get all this stuff packed up, or I'd like to get all this stuff packed up in the mail today. It's supposed to rain later. We have stuff outside, so we have a full day planned. My head feels like somebody hit it in the back with a baseball bat. I'm not going to lie to you. So if I don't seem quite as chipper as I should be, well, there you go. But we've got a few things to go over, so let's go ahead and get that done. Oh, the one thing we should start right here. Viewer sale. Yvonne bought this for me. Turns out she's bought some other stuff. She sent me a message. So, let's see. This sold for $10 plus shipping. Yep. And so we're going to throw in a few little extras, since it is a viewer sale. And I'd like to say thank you. An unsolicited viewer sale, which is amazing, right? Absolutely amazing. Got the Ohauser, I believe it's pronounced Ohauser, dialogram balance scales. Bought these in Memphis, Tennessee, at the University of Tennessee Medical Science Department when they was getting rid of them. I believe I got like 15 of them for $30, $35, something like that. And they haven't really been selling, but the last 3 months I've sold 3. Sold 2 today, or Saturday. So, yeah, that's pretty amazing. Sold these 2 trilobites here for $8 plus shipping on top. Sold this Blackhawk socket for $4.95 plus shipping. Sold this tin skull, probably the best skull I've poured so far. This one's number 8, and it sold for $49.95 plus shipping on top. Sold this collection of ties here, 6 ties, and they sold for $12.95. Stick with the novelty ties. I'm telling you, the novelty ties sell a whole lot better than just plain ties, and bring more money. $12.95 with free shipping for 6 ties is not a really good price. And they were really good ties. 2 of them handmade Italian silk ties, and it still took forever to sell. Sold that baseball glove on an offer for $30 plus shipping on top. This Quad City River Bandits is actually a pretty rare plush, but you couldn't tell it by the price because I sold it for $9.99 for free shipping. And I completely lost my train of thought. It derailed. There was no survivors. We're going to just start over here. Uncle Buck. There's Uncle Buck. John Candy. I love John Candy. He was taken from us too soon. The man was a genius. And it sold for $6.99 of free shipping. I had 50 cents into it. There's this jar here. Everybody that's seen my past videos have recognized these jars. You could buy them at the Dollar General. You could buy them at grocery stores. You could buy them at Walmart. They were put out for a limited time. I bought several, put them up, and dug them out and put them up for sale. And this one sold for $12.99 plus shipping on top. Well, $12.95 and shipping on top. Still a pretty good price. I think that covers them all. I didn't go through them in order, so I don't think I missed any. Appreciate you sticking with me. I know this wasn't the best what sold video. And I also know I had sworn off making eBay videos. But I had a viewer sale, and that deserves a little something special if you ask me. You have to look after the people that look after you. So she has bought from me in the past, and she's placed another order. And well, I'd just like to say thank you. That's very, very nice. And this has been Man Mountain Link. We will catch you next time. Peace out.
Who let the cats out? Man, Mountain Link. Who let the cats out?